Hello students, I am Rajiv sir. I will be teaching you maths in standard 8A. Students, today I am going to start chapter 3, rest part of this chapter, part 3 of 3. Chapter name is squares and square roots. Finding a square root by division method. Now let us try to find out the square root of 625. First of all, to write 625 and then make pair. Take pair number from right hand side. 2, 5, 25 is the pair and 6 is a single digit, which is not having a pair. So write 0 here and make pair 0, 6. So first we divide in 6 by writing 2 here, 2 to the 4 and write 2 here, add this number 2 to 4, subtract this 6 minus 4 is equal to 2 and write this number here, pair number 225. Now in this place you can put a digit and same digit you can multiply and you must have 225 number or less than 225. So if you write here 5, then write also here 5 and here 5 and multiply this number. 5 5 is 25, 2, 5 4 is 20, 225. So add this number 45 by 50. So 25 is the square root of 625. Therefore 25 is the square root of 625. Now next question is, you have to find the square root. Find the square root of 1156. So you can find the square root by writing here 1156. Make pair from right hand side 56 and 11. You first divide in 11 by writing 3 3s are 9, 2, write 3 here, add this number 3 and 3 6 and this place you can write a digit. 56 is here, 256. I think 4, write 4 here, 4 4 is 16, carry 1, 4 6 are 24 and 125. Add this number 68. Therefore 34 is the square root. So the square root is 34. Answer. Now next question is, find the least number that must be subtracted from 2213 so that the remainder is a perfect square. Perfect square. First of all, the number is 223. Right here 2213. 2213. Find the square root by division method. Make pair 1 3 and 2 2. So first of all you divide by 4. 4 4 is 16. Write 4 here and add this number 4 4 8. Subtract 6 and take this number here, and here is when you put 7 near 8 and 7 here and 7 here, 7 7 ja 49, 4 6 0 9, subtract 4, add this number 94. So 4 is remainder. So 4 must be subtracted from the given number. Therefore 4 must be subtracted from 2213 to get the remainder as perfect square. Question is question number 4. Find the greatest 3-digit number which is a perfect square. Student, you know, the greatest number of 3 digits is 999. 3-digit greatest number is 999. 1 2 3 3 digit. So we find the square root of 999 by division method. Write 999, make pair a single number, 3 3 is a 9, add this number here 336, 99, 1, write 1 here, and this number here 61, 1 is 61, subtract it 9 8, 38, add this number 62. This means that here remainder is 38, remainder is 38. This means that 31 square is less than 999 by 38. Therefore, the required number, required perfect square is 999 minus 38 is equal to 961. And you know that the square root of 961 is, I think, most probably 31. You can check how can 961. Use division method, make pair, 3 3 is 9, 61, 1, 61, therefore 31 is the square root of 961. This is the answer. Next is a square root roots of decimals. Now let us find the square root of 42.25. Question is, you have to find the square root of 42.25. Student, clearly it is given here, decimally placed after 2 digit. So the number is 42.25. So you can write 42.25 divided by 100, because decimally placed after 2 digit. So you can write 100 here. And now find the square root of both numerator and denominator separately and then divide the number. So first of all, you find 4225 using division method like this. Six 6 are 36. 25. Here is you can pick 5 here, 5 here, and here 5. 5 5s are 25. Add this number. So the square root of 4225 is 65. So you can write 4225, the square root of 4225 is 65, and the square root of 100 is 10. 10 tens are 100. So the number is 65 by 10. That means put decimal here after 1 digit, because 10 is here in denominator. So 6.5 is the square root of 42.25 answer. Now next question is, area of a square plot is 4225 meter square. Find the side of the square plot. How can you solve? You can solve using division method. Area of a square plot is given. Area of square plot is equal to side square, because area of a square is equal to side into side. So you can write area of a square plot is equal to side square, and area of a square plot is given 4225 is equal to side square. So taking a square root both the sides, so therefore using division method you can find the square root of 4225 like this. 4225, making pair number 6 6 are 36. Add this number 12, 5, 65. So a square root of 4225 is 65 is equal to side square, that means side. Therefore side of the square plot is equal to 65 meter. Answer. Next is estimating a square root. Let us estimate the square root of 300. Let us estimate the square root of 300. So we know that 300 is greater than 100 and it is less than 400. Obviously, when you take a square root of this number, the square root of 100 is 10, and here is 300, and here is 20. But still we are not very close to the square number. So we know that 17 square is equal to 289, and 18 square is 324, and 289 is much closer to 300. Therefore, the square root of 300 is 17 approx. Answer. Student, I am giving you question from brain teaser, which is given in your book. Question number 1. Evaluate under root 248 plus under root 64. How can you evaluate? It's very easy, student. You can write like this: 248 plus, first of all, you find the square root of 64, which is given in the under root. So the square root of 64 is 8. 8 is 64. So you write here 8, and then after you add a big root, you can write after adding 8 256, and the square root of 256 is, using division method, you can calculate like this, making pair 1 is 1, subtract 2 minus 1 is 1, 56, write here 6, here 6, and you can multiply 6 6 are 36, 3, 15, add this number 32. Therefore 16 is the square root of 256. Therefore answer is 16. Students, now refer to the question which is given on the Teno app as a homework of Let's Practice 3.3. All the questions. Okay, thank you.